everyone. Hope you all are safe and doing well. Today in this video, we will discuss about the legal metrology. Now, the first question that comes in our mind is, what is legal metrology? Legal Metrology Act, also known as the Packaged Commodity Act, which is applicable on all the packaged items. 95% of the product fall under the category of legal metrology. Any manufacturer, importer or packer who is selling the product in the Indian market in a packed form has to take this registration. मार्केट में जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स एक पैकेज फॉर्म में अवेलेबल होते हैं उन सब पर लीगल मेट्रोलॉजी एप्लीकेबल होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल मोबाइल फोन, योर टिश्यू पेपर, योर क्लोथ्स, योर शूज, everything is available in a package form. The Legal Metrology Act came in 2009, but it is implemented from the 1st April 2011. Legal metrology is applicable only in the two capacities. The first is the importer and another one is the manufacturer and packer. In India, we can sell the product only in two ways, either by importing it or by manufacturing or packing it. Ultimately, who is the brand owner of that product is liable for taking the legal metrology registration. What is the objective of this registration? Why we need this registration? Why it is so important? The answer is, the main objective of this registration is to safeguard the interest of the consumer in respect of weight, measurement and the declarations that you have mentioned on the product. आप प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर जो भी डिक्लेरेशंस देते हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हाट इज द एमआरपी ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्ट, what is the weight of that product, month and year of the import and or the manufacturer, what is the expiry of the product. So have you mentioned that all the details accurate or not? It gives surety to the consumer. Now we will discuss about the product categorization. In India, the product is divided into two categories. First, weight and measurement. Another one is non-weight and measurement. The product that measures something are covered under the category of weight and measurement. For example, the thermometer, BP machines, weighing scale, your flow meter, water meter. So all these products measure something. That's why they covered under the category of weight and measurement. Apart from that, all other products covered under the category of non-weight and measurement. For example, electronics, home and kitchen appliances, sports equipment, clothes, shoes, etc. The product that covered under the category of weight and measurement requires 3 certifications from the Legal Metrology Department. The first is the model approval. In model approval, our product goes to the government lab. They test our product at different parameters and after that they will issue us a model approval certificate. Like this model is approved by the Indian standard. Why Indian government test our product? Because it's quite possible that our standard is differ from the US standard or from the China standard. It's might possible that their 1 kg is 0.9 gram as per the Indian standard. That's why Indian government tests every product that covers under the ambit of the weight and measurement. The second registration that we will require is the importer license or the manufacturer license. Once the model have been approved by the Indian government, they give us the authority to import that product or to manufacture that product. The third registration that we require is called the Packaged Commodity Registration, or we can say a PCR license. Now our model has been approved by the Indian standard. They give us the authority to import that product or to manufacture that product. Now our ultimately objective is to sell that product in the Indian market to the consumer. So for that we need to take the Packaged Commodity Registration from the Legal Metrology Department. The products that covered under the non-weight and measurement category, for that you need to take only the one license from the Legal Metrology Department, that is called the Packaged Commodity Registration, or we can also say that the PCR license or Legal Metrology license. This Legal Metrology registration needs to be taken within the 90 days from the inception of our first business transaction. Else there would be a penalty clauses on all the director plus on the company. You can find the link in the description box in order to know more about the legal metrology or the penalties applicable on the defaulters. The last and the most important topic is the MRP sticker, and these all are the mandatory declaration that you have to mention on your product. Even nowadays, the legal metrology department are also very proactive and they check on the online portal that whether you have mentioned all the declarations properly or not. As it is written on the MRP sticker, the first is the name and the address of the manufacturer. It should be properly mentioned along with the PIN code and the state, and same goes with the importer details. The second is the generic name of the product. You have to mention the name of the product on the outer carton of the box so that the consumer are also aware that what or which product they are buying. The net quantity, weight and batch number are also the mandatory declaration. You can denote the net quantity as a capital N or capital U. N means number, U means unit. Now I can explain you by giving the example. Take an example of water bottle. आप एक बॉक्स के अंदर एक आउटर कार्टन के अंदर जब आप एक प्रोडक्ट डालते हैं देन यू कैन डिनोट इट बाय कैपिटल एन. बट टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ मोबाइल फोन. आप एक बॉक्स के अंदर मोबाइल फोन्स भी है, चार्जर भी है, ईयरफोन्स भी है. देन इन दैट केस यू हैव टू मेंशन द क्वांटिटी एज 1 यूनिट consist of 1N mobile phone, 1N earphones, 1N charger, etc. The next is the month and year of manufacture, month and year of import, best before or the expiry are also the very important declarations that you have to mention on your product. MRP should be there on your product. You have to mention the symbol of the rupees along with the inclusive of all taxes word. The last is the consumer complaint details. In that column, you have to mention the 3 points. First is the address of the consumer complaint, second is the telephone number, and the third is the email ID of the consumer complaint. So all these points are very important and mandatory as per the legal metrology law, and you have to mention all the declaration on your product. Hope you liked our video. This is all about the legal metrology. If you have any query, please contact ASC Consulting Private Limited. And these are the details where you can reach us. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more updates, please stay connected. Thank you.